The fridge is empty. Let's go to the market. Great idea.
What a lovely morning. What should we cook? Maybe pasta with fresh veggies from the basket? Perfect. Let's go.
Here are the salt, pepper, and turmeric you wanted.
This smells amazing. Delicious!
One, two, three, and 4, 5. Perfect, we're ready. Here you go. Thank you. I have 5 coins. And I have 3. That's 8. Thank you. We're almost home. So excited to cook.
Me too. Let's make pasta.
Yes, it'll be great.